Oh boy. Oh, I feel so bad. None of them like it.
Maybe if it has molasses in it? You eat everything? I'm gonna throw the cake at you.
I know, that's what I was trying to do with Ricky.